Hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech Advent. Thumbnails are usually the first thing that your audience notices on a YouTube video. The use of attractive, relevant YouTube thumbnails can help increase the number of views and subscribers. But how do you create stunning custom thumbnails on an Android device with no design skills? One of the easiest ways is using a YouTube thumbnail maker app. Here are some of the best YouTube thumbnail maker apps for Android. These Android apps will help you create an eye-catching thumbnail image for your latest YouTube video. Before further proceeding, like the video and subscribe to my channel. Ultimate Thumbnail Maker. The one I have chosen at number 1 in this list is an app to create awesome thumbnails for your YouTube videos. Apart from the intro thumbnail banner, making your videos and social content appear more beautiful, it has been proven that thumbnails for YT channel videos help your content attract more views and traffic. Just a few steps and you can create perfect custom video thumbnails. It's so easy and powerful to use both for beginners and professional creators. Select from a dozen templates for the most suitable one to start your work. You can access thousands of beautiful text design presets which you won't get from any other thumbnail app. You can manually add eye-catching stickers, fonts, select different backgrounds for your thumbnail. If we talk about the features, it's an all-in-one app to create YouTube banners, cover photos, video thumbnails, etc. The second app I have selected in this list is my most favorite. Canva is one of the best free graphic designing apps for designers and non-designers who want to create professional-looking YouTube thumbnails. The versatile app has almost everything you need to create social media graphics, including thumbnails. The app comes with highly customizable pre-made YouTube thumbnail templates that you can use to create beautiful video cover images. On Canva, you need to choose the site you want to create a thumbnail like YouTube. Then it automatically sets the size and you need to start adding elements like text, images, stickers, etc. You may upload your own photos to the layout as well. Canva offers over 1 million templates, photos, backgrounds, fonts and icons to choose from. Plus it has a drag and drop interface and no watermark in the free version. Adobe Express. This member of the Adobe family is designed to create posters, banners and thumbnails. You don't have to start from a blank canvas or from an idea beforehand to begin designing your thumbnail. Just browse Adobe Express Inspiration Gallery and choose a category that matches your video. The design tool offers free to use, professionally designed pre-made thumbnail templates. You may also customize your layout with elements like text, colors and backgrounds. Feel like you have a designer in your corner as you select or upload your own images, try different layouts, add text to photos and apply effects and filters. Access tons of royalty-free Adobe stock photo collection, Adobe fonts, icons, backgrounds and more. Achieve high-quality results in just a few taps with easy-to-use guided tools. With Thumbnail Maker and Channel Art Maker, you can create compelling thumbnails, banner videos, and channel arts for free. Compared to all other apps listed in this video, Thumbnail Maker and Channel Art Maker is pretty easy to use. You can even create a photo collage with this app, apart from thumbnails. To professionally edit photos, it offers thousands of beautiful text design presets, dozens of fonts, popular and trending stickers, photo remix options, etc. The app even has the feature of automatic cutout and background removal, so you don't have to go through all this hassle yourself. There are many other thumbnail maker apps available on the Google Play Store, but we have listed only the best ones. I hope this video helped you. Please share it with your friends also. If you know of any other such apps, let us know in the comment box below because your comments mean a lot to me. Thanks for watching. Before leaving, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Tech Advent.